In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable certain startup apps to increase the speed of your computer by a ton. Step 1. Go to the Windows Start or press the Windows key. Click on Settings. Then go to Privacy. Now, on the left, scroll way down all the way to the bottom, pretty much, and click on Background Apps. Now, there are a ton of apps. I've turned off most of them because you don't need like Feedback Hub running in the background when you turn on your computer. But some things, like Windows Security, should probably be allowed to run in the background. Now, some of these are on that probably don't even need to be on. All these things like weather, voice recorder, Twitter, you don't even need settings to turn on. It's all stuff that doesn't need to be on, and especially Microsoft Store. I was looking in Task Manager, Control-Shift-Escape, and I was just looking through the different tabs, and I saw Microsoft Store. It was taking up a bunch of internet, and it was taking a bunch of CPU and memory and stuff for no given reason, and I don't even use Microsoft Store. So, once I figured that out, I disabled it immediately. Like, subscribe, and keep it infinite.